Episode 250, 250 now. Soon to be in the books. Amazing. 3 stories and the market. First story is GM, BMW, and are backing blockchain data sharing for self-driving cars. Car giants General Motors and BMW are backing blockchain tech as a way to share self-driving car data among themselves and other automakers. It's all part of a bid to unlock valuable data held in silos, which will ultimately get autonomous vehicles on the road sooner. Exploratory work in this area is being done under the auspices of the Mobility Open Blockchain Initiative, MOBI, M-O-B-I, a consortium formed last year to harmonize the development of distributed ledger tech across the car industry. This is via CoinDesk. CoinDesk has learned that the next MOBI working group on so-called autonomous vehicle data markets, AVDM, will be chaired by General Motors. The automaker has clearly been thinking about using blockchain to share data for some time, having filed a patent detailing such as a system for fleets of self-driving cars at the end of last year. So more about blockchain tech being used by the car industry. I still look for security to be big in that aspect. Into the second story, fund manager Travis Kling believes that more and more people are becoming open to the idea of Bitcoin being a safe haven from central banks that are with their irresponsible monetary policy. Bitcoin is becoming a safe haven. This is from the Bitcoinist Travis Kling, Chief Investment Officer at Hedge. Asset Management believes that more and more people are becoming open to the idea of Bitcoin becoming a safe haven from uncertainties in the mainstream market. According to MarketWatch, Kling suspects that the recent decisions of the Fed, the European Central Bank, and Bank of Japan, among others, with respect to monetary policies, played a role in the April Bitcoin surge. So, this guy, that's not breaking news, but it's interesting. More and more fund managers are becoming open to this idea of Bitcoin as a future, more of a safer store of value and asset in the long term than holding dollars. Third story is crypto market capitalization hits 5-month high today. The combined value of cryptocurrency market rose to 185.89 billion earlier today, and its highest since November 18th. While that number has dropped slightly to now it's 181 billion. The 5-month high marks the 10th consecutive week with a bullish open above the prior candle close, meaning that there has been a steady increase in value for crypto since the new year began. The majority of the crypto market experienced positive growth toward the end of the previous close for the week of April 1st through 7th, thanks in part to Bitcoin's breakout. Over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ether have experienced large increases, resulting in their market capitalizations rising 3 and 1.7 billion respectively, which leads me into the segue of the market. To Bitcoin, which is up 1.2% for the day, $5,193. Ethereum up 6.1%, 171.80. Bitcoin Cash down 5.84%, 300 even. Litecoin 5.98% in the red, 86.73. EOS up 0.41%, $5.41. To Monero up 1.29%, $69.91. Dash down 0.86% at $132.09. Neo down 4.07%, $12.42. Ethereum Classic down 9.98%, $6.88. With it, the way it was pumping this weekend up over 50% at one point, it wouldn't be a bad idea to grab some of that possibly. Not financial advice, of course. Into speaking on my own behalf. Into Steem now, which is currently valuated at 50 cents even, down 0.72%, and Flash, which had a pretty nice weekend, down 5.54% at 0.004. So Bitcoin dominance really hasn't moved much either at 50.82%, and aggregate market cap now at 180 billion, 254 million, 825,000. That is the wrap up for today. The news and the market. Everyone have a good Monday.